Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Legian Street, Raya Kuta Street and Malastee Street. So if you want to know how there's fitting right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Kuta area on Legian Street, Raya Kuta Street and Malastee Street on request from my viewer. And now we are in Legian Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see at the front, it looks busy, isn't it? There is some people just been having lunch in restaurant right side. Yeah, they are come from Java, I think, like local tourism. It looks busy, isn't it? That is good. Okay guys, now we continue driving. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to Denpasar. But if I turn right, that is go to the Banasari Street, also the famous street in Bali. Okay guys, now continue driving. Oh, there is some people on the sidewalk. That's good. And today I see there is a lot of shops are open. I'm really happy to see that because our government make different rules for locals, people who want to come to Bali. I mean domestic tourism. So domestic tourism, if they want to come to Bali, they just need rapid antigen if they already have double vaccine. But if they only have single vaccine, they have to do PCR test. Now the rule is much better for domestic tourism. So that's why Bali getting better again. There is a lot domestic tourism come to Bali to make vacation. And also our government say they make the new rule for international tourism. So if you come to Bali, you have to do quarantine for 3 nights in Bali. And before was 5 nights. Okay guys, now we continue driving again in Legian Street. So far in Legian is much better now. I mean there is a lot of car and motorbike driving around in this area. And there is a lot motorbike parking. I mean there is people who working in the hotel and some restaurant, also the shop, they are open now. So there is a lot motorbike parking beside the road. But yeah, there is some shop still closed actually. And also on the sidewalk, there is not so many people walking around on the sidewalk. But there is some. It's much better than last month. Last month was very empty on the sidewalk. Okay guys, now we are in ground zero area, the central of Kuta. Actually, the monument in the left side, but I keep driving on. And at the front, yeah, I turn right, there is Poppy's Land too. I already explored that area yesterday. You can find how the situation at the moment in Poppy's Land 1 and Poppy's Land 2 down this video. And today we also will explore Raya Kuta Street. That's the street beside the Kuta Beach. So we will see together how the situation right there at the moment. Okay guys, right side, there is shop is open. Left side also, there is some shop open. That's really good. We hope together our government will allow you to come to Bali without quarantine. And Bali will get normal again as before. And we hope the end of this year, the quarantine will be not anymore in Bali. You see left side? Yeah, there is some shop is open. Also in the right side at the front. That's really good. Now there is a lot of shop already open in Legian Street. Yeah, another shop is open. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street. Now we will turn right to explore Raya Kuta Street. But if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar. Okay guys, now we turn right to explore Raya Kuta Street. Okay, now we are in Raya Kuta Street. You see right side? Oh, there is some shop is already open. Actually last month, in this area, still closed. A lot of shop closed. But today, there is some shop is already open. I'm really happy to see that. But if you see the weather today, it's like kind cloudy, but not raining. Hot, but bit cloudy. Right side, shop are open. That is good. It's much better than last month. Last month, in the middle of October, this area still a lot of shop closed. But today, on 3 of November, there is a lot of shop is already open. This is really good news for Bali actually. And also we hope together international tourism will become over to Bali as soon as possible. And for sure, I hope without quarantine. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Kartika Plaza Street. But now we continue driving on Raya Kuta Street. You see the right side, there is a restaurant just nearby the Hard Rock hotels. And left side, there is Grand Inn Hotel. Okay guys, we continue driving, and if you see at the front, there is the big gate. There is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Yeah, the weather on beach is very beautiful. It's very clear up there. You see right side, there is some taxi parking. That is really good. And Hard Rock Cafe right side. You see this area? It's look a bit busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this route. And also there is some people at the front of the hotel. You see right side? Heritage Hotel. Okay guys, now we continue driving and we will see together how the situation at the moment on Beach Walk, the biggest shopping mall in Kuta. Because usually in this area it's very famous. A lot of people go to the mall and the beach at the front shopping mall. You see left side? There is a lot motorbike parking. Yeah, because in the right side there is big shopping mall in Bali, Beach Walk. And left side there is along the way is Kuta Beach. It looks so busy, isn't it? That's really good. Yeah, now I'm gonna say Bali getting better and better since the new rule from our government. And also we hope the rule will be much better for international tourism. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel. So far, you already watching my video and subscribe my channel. That's really important for me. I want to say thank you very much. And please don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali for you. You see in this area? There is a lot of car parking. That's really good. Also on the right side there is a restaurant, some car parking there. You see left side? Looks so busy, isn't it? A lot of car. and motorbike parking. I think they are just go to Kuta Beach. The Stone Hotel, right side. Yeah, as we know together, at the right side, there is a lot of big hotel because just from the beach. Just from the hotel, you cross the street and then you will be reach the beach. So that's why the hotels around here is quite expensive. And also, there is a Pullman Hotel right side, the biggest hotel in this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Raya Kuta Street, and now we will turn right to explore Malastee Street on request. Yeah, now we are in Malastee Street. Actually, I already explored this area in last month, but because the viewers asking to explore again this area, so I try to explore today. You see left side, there is art market and some car parking there. Looks so busy. That's really good. There is local tourism come to this area to do some shopping. If I turn left at the front, there is the garlic line. And I already explored last month that area. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Malastee Street. In this area, there is a lot of shop open. You can see the right side. And in this area, there is a lot of hotel. Yeah, so this is Malastee Street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Malastee Street and Kuta area. So if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.